Title: Demystifying U.S. Law, Exploring Constitutional Rights. Intro. Upbeat music playing. Host: welcome back, everyone, to our channel where we dive deep into the intricate world of U.S. law. In today's episode, we have a special treat for you. We'll be unraveling the mysteries surrounding constitutional rights. So, grab your pens and notebooks because class is in session. Channel intro animation plays. Host. Hey, Legal Eagles. I'm your host, your name, and I'm here to guide you through the fascinating realm of U.S. law. Today, we're focusing on one of the cornerstones of American democracy: constitutional rights. Let's get started. Segment 1. The Constitution and Bill of Rights. Visuals: images of the Constitution and Bill of Rights. Host. Before we delve into the specific rights, let's establish some groundwork. The U.S. Constitution is the supreme law of the land, providing the framework for our government. Within this framework, we find the Bill of Rights, the first 10 amendments to the Constitution, which protect our individual liberties. Visuals: highlights of the Constitution and Bill of Rights sections. Host. The Bill of Rights was added to address concerns about personal freedoms, and it guarantees a variety of rights, such as freedom of speech, religion, and the right to a fair trial. Let's explore some of these in detail. Segment 2. Freedom of speech. Visuals: freedom of speech illustrations, landmark court cases. Host. One of the most cherished rights in the United States is freedom of speech. It allows us to express our thoughts, opinions, and ideas without fear of government censorship. However, there are limitations. For instance, speech that incites violence or poses a direct threat to public safety may not be protected. Visuals: examples of protected and unprotected speech. Host. It's essential to understand that freedom of speech protects unpopular or controversial views, as the First Amendment aims to foster open dialogue and the exchange of ideas. Remember, healthy debates are the cornerstone of democracy. Segment 3. Right to privacy. Visuals: privacy-related imagery, Fourth Amendment. Host. Our next constitutional right, which is particularly relevant in today's digital age, is the right to privacy. While the word privacy doesn't appear explicitly in the Constitution, the Supreme Court has recognized it as an essential component of personal freedom. Visuals: illustrations of digital privacy concerns, surveillance. Host. The Fourth Amendment safeguards us against unreasonable searches and seizures, requiring law enforcement to obtain a warrant based on probable cause. It's crucial to know our rights when it comes to privacy in the digital realm, as new technologies continue to reshape our lives. Segment 4. Due process and equal protection. Visuals: images of the 14th Amendment, diverse group of people. Host. Moving on, the 14th Amendment guarantees both due process and equal protection under the law. Due process ensures that all individuals are treated fairly by the government and receive a fair trial. It's a fundamental protection for our civil liberties. Visuals: landmark cases related to due process and equal protection. Host. Additionally, the Equal Protection Clause prohibits discrimination based on race, gender, religion, or other protected characteristics. This clause has been instrumental in advancing civil rights movements throughout history. Segment 5. Conclusion and call to action. Visuals: recap of key points, U.S. flag waving. Host. And that wraps up our journey through some of the essential constitutional rights guaranteed to every American citizen. Remember, the Constitution and its amendments are the backbone of our nation's legal system, protecting our freedoms and shaping our society. Host. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into U.S. law. We'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions for future topics in the comments section below. Outro. Upbeat music fades in. Host, thank you all for joining us today. Stay curious, stay informed, and until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of U.S. law. Channel outro animation plays. Note: this script is a starting point and can be modified and expanded upon based on your preferences and the specific content you'd like to include in your YouTube channel.